How to use Canva collaboration feature. To use the Canva's collaboration feature, first of all, go ahead and launch the Canva application on your device, then sign into your account. Once you've signed in, all you have to do is within the project tab, you simply have to select your specific project that you want to share with your friends or family. Now, once you're here within your designs, and then you simply have to now go ahead and select your project. Once you open the project itself, you simply have to go ahead and then tap on this three-dotted menu icon on the top and scroll down until you find the collaborate option, or you should also be able to find this share option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, you simply have to tap on the search box over here, then type in the name or the email address of that exact people. You will also be able to access this access label. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you'll find an option, anyone with the link. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you can also set it to editor option. Now you simply have to copy the link and send it to your friends or families using the device's message application or any other social media. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.